how to add music to a Facebook post. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Facebook application and make sure that your application is up to date to this latest version. Then simply log into your Facebook account, and once you're logged in on this home page, tap on this section that says what's on your mind from the top of this interface. Now select a video or photo that you would like to post in your Facebook account from your gallery. Once you select a photo, now to add music, again tap on your screen. Then you will land on this edit page. Now at the top of this interface, there you will find a music icon. Simply tap on that. Now you get to select your music. So select the music that you would like to add. Here you can customize the length of a music. If you simply tap and drag this timeline from this interface, you can select the section of music that you would like to add. Once you're done, then simply tap on Done from the top right corner, then again tap on Done. And if you tap on Post from the top right corner, this photo will be added in your Facebook post with this music that you have selected. So that's how you can add music to a Facebook post. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.